Who's an actor with zero chops or range, yet somehow keeps getting work? 1. Rebel Wilson. She was funny in the beginning but rode the fat, funny friend trope way too far in every movie. It's so sad. Same with Melissa McCarthy, but at least I feel like Melissa can truly act. She's just stuck in the trope. They both tend to play similar fat slob characters repeatedly. 2. Chris Pratt. Hear me out. He did amazing work on TV. Andy from Parks and Recreation is an amazing character, and he was great in that role. But since becoming a leading man, he's become wooden. It's like he has this idea of what a leading man should be, and that's all he does in every film. 3. Everybody loves Danny Trejo, but he only ever plays Danny Trejo. To be fair, nobody but Danny Trejo could ever play Danny Trejo. 4. You know that movie where Michael Cera plays the awkward teenager? Yeah, that's basically every movie he's in. 5. Might get some hate for this, but Kevin Hart is Kevin Hart in every movie. He's hilarious and works well in the roles he's in, and I have nothing against the guy. But I don't think his acting has much range. 6. Jared Leto, Will Smith's kid.